All right, welcome guys. My name is Pedro, and today I'm going to be doing just a quick video insight on the just basics of Forex, but also just I'm really going to be focusing on this channel on just my whole journey as a whole, getting involved into the Forex market, and just being a newbie in this whole trading industry. So I definitely want you guys to join me in this journey, and yeah, and we can grow together and learn together. So let's take a look at this pair. I was able to get a couple trades off of this pair this week, which went pretty well. So let's analyze the markets right now. First, I always like to do is kind of see the direction of the market. So let's take a look at the chart here. We could see, let's take a look at some resistance areas. So we can see there's a little bit of resistance right here. Yeah, so we've got some support here. Put the horizontal line just about here. We've got some good support here. We also got some support around. Let's put it more around here. Okay, and then we've also got some resistance areas around here, here, a little bit of support here, support here. So yeah, same thing here. Push it a little bit above right there. Yeah, so this is on the daily. It's not going to be exactly. Remember guys that basically these areas are just a certain section. It's not really an exact to the T. It's not to the exact spot. This is going to be just certain areas, right? So keep in mind that it'll be like support zones around there. You've got support areas here, and you've got resistance areas here, right? So just keep that in mind. So obviously we can see that the direction of the market here went up, and then it reached a very crucial area of resistance around here as well as here. So, and a lot more here as well. So we knew that the market was either going to make a decision. It was going to break through this resistance or continue more to the downside. Obviously you can see that price got rejected here. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart now. Taking a look at the 4-hour, we could see that price was actually creating a little bit of higher highs and higher lows, and it's creating a upwards trend, which it did break. Also more like a channel as well. So right there. So what do we see here? We could obviously see that the market was creating an upwards trend here within the channel, but then it also price started compressing as it started reaching the area of resistance. We could see that it started creating a ascending narrowing wedge, which then price had two options. Either it was going to go break through the resistance and go all the way back like higher to higher levels, or it was going to break to the downside and get rejected, which was the case. Usually when we have an upwards an ascending narrowing wedge, most of the time it indicates more of a bearish scenario. Plus we had some resistance areas here, so it gave me more of a confidence to kind of see more room to the downside and seeing it get rejected. But you never know, the market does have its own way of doing things sometimes, and it might just go the wrong way or the other way than expected. We are reaching an area of support. This is kind of where the market had shifted over right before the market had closed. This is kind of where we were at. Take a look at the hourly. I was able to It's crazy. I was able to profit. I got in around here. Oh, actually, sorry, I got in around here. So I saw obviously 1, 2, and then 3. This is where I got in on a sell, which was perfect. Because here, all you really have to do is, once you get into this area, lower it down to the 15-minute. And literally, all you have to really do is get into all the pullbacks. So this is the nice part. This is kind of, you know, what I've been learning a lot lately and stuff. So you could see even within here, you know, price went down, right? And we got a double top here as well, right? So another strong indication that the market is going to continue and go to the downside. You know, it got rejected here at the top, so creating a double top pattern, which indicates usually a bearish scenario or reversal. In this case, we obviously, once it went down here, we had to wait for some type of pullback at least. Price pulled back, went down, consolidated for a bit, and then it continued all the way down to the downside. And then again, waited for the market kind of to bottom out a little bit here on the upwards ascending narrowing wedge. Sorry, my battery. Oh, something's going on. Yeah, battery. So I kind of waited for it to bottom out, and then I kind of saw where price was heading again. I knew it was going to go back up to the top eventually. So once I started seeing some higher highs, which I did, then I knew that price was starting to ramp back up. Yeah, I think this is looking like a really good trade. I knew that once it kind of price started, you know, weakening a little bit and compressing within the narrowing wedge, you know, this is kind of indicating that, hey, you know what, maybe price is going to actually go to the downside, and I kind of waited for it to break out. Once it broke out, waited for the retest right here, and then I got in on a nice sell just around this area here, rode it down, was able to catch a lot of pips. I caught like, I think it was like 200 pips. It was really nice. Rode it down and took profit about around here. And then same thing, waited for, you know, I got in between here during the morning, and then after, during at night, I got in right here. It pulled back here for a second, and then it just came back all the way down. So, you know, there's lots of ways to make money in the markets, lots of opportunities. But yeah, I don't know where the price will go next. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. This is the USD JPY. Yeah, like I think we might have. If we take a look at the hourly, we might have, like, we've got some area. See, we've got resistance, support. This one up like that. This might just be like a fake out, but basically, yeah. So we've got some areas of support here as well, and resistance. So this might be an area where it might just kind of, you know, stay within here, kind of range a little bit, and then either pull back a little bit, you know, until maybe around this area here, and then so pull back and then keep going down, right? Or it could just consolidate a little bit and then just keep going down up until the very bottom here where we've got some support. Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I'm definitely still new into the Forex industry. I'm just starting out my career here. I definitely enjoy Forex. I really have had a great time, you know, learning, and I definitely want to do this as full time. Currently, I just do it as a part time. It's a good income. It's a good way to make money online, especially in times like these. You know, with the whole pandemic, it's very unfortunate that we have things like this going on, but you know, there's not much we can do. All we can do is just, you know, focus on the positive things of everything, and just kind of, you know, shift our focus. And you know, if we have something that we enjoy doing from home, then you know, it is what it is. So I found that Forex is something that I definitely want to learn. It's a skill set I want to learn, which can pay me on the long run. And yeah, so like I said, guys, I'm definitely new, so if you've been in the Forex market, please don't judge me. Like I just started out. Maybe I've been, I've heard of the Forex market. I've been in and out of the Forex market in the past like 2 years, but I haven't really put in like that much effort, that much work into it as I have now. I really took that decision way back in around September of last year in 2019, and I just decided, you know what, I really want to, do this. I really want to do this from home. I really want to do this as something like, long-term wise, and it'd be cool to even do it, full time eventually, right? Just because it's fun, it's convenient. If you know what you're doing, it can be definitely rewarding. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the Forex industry, or if you're new to the channel, just comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys and connect. And yeah, I will be posting every single week, at least 2 videos. I'm going to be posting them every Monday, a video, and every Monday and Friday. I'm going to be posting new videos, and yeah, I'm just going to be posting my whole journey. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. With that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and until next time.